Hello friends. In this video I will tell you what is hacking, and the types of hacking. What is hacking? Computer hacking is referred as an attempt to exploit the system or the network by identifying the weaknesses. It is unauthorized access to or control over the system for some purpose. Types of hackers. There are three types of hackers. White hat professionals hack to check their own security systems to make it more hack-proof. In most cases, they are part of the specific organization. Black hat hackers hack to take control over the system for personal gains. They can destroy, steal or even prevent authorized users from accessing the system. They do this by finding loopholes and weaknesses in the system. Gray hat hackers comprise curious people, who have just about enough computer language skills to enable them to hack a system to locate potential loopholes in the network security system. Gray hackers differ from black hackers by notifying the admin about the weaknesses of the system. Now comes the most interesting part: how to hack any websites. Subscribe to watch in the upcoming video.